cup the fragrance. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently sitting here on November 3rd. I hope you guys had an opportunity to vote. I voted early, super early in the morning. I was done by 7:15 and I was able to come home and relax for a bit, and then I got a package, and today I have my Ipsy Glam bag for you. I'm super excited. Also, let me know, like, do you like the vibe of the backdrop? I have a color on it and it's just like very faint, so I don't know what it's gonna look like for you guys, but it's whatever. So we have our $12 glam bag with 5 products inside. I'm very excited to open it. Now, when I do these try on type of videos, I do have to take a peek so I kind of know what I'm getting. This video is going to be really quick because I have 2 skincare and then 3 makeup products that are going to be right at the end of makeup. Here is the bag. Solid navy on the back. Let's go ahead and get into it and see our first product. Now, I cannot believe, like, I got Tatcha in my bag. Tatcha is so bougie and I love the quality of her products. Well, I mean the founder, yes, but Tatcha as a brand I think is excellent. I have loved Tatcha products. We're gonna headband up. I've loved Tatcha products since I started using them, and granted I've only used a few, but the quality is just so amazing, and I love that it was inspired by geisha skincare. I mean, like, perfect porcelain skin, so obviously they knew some tricks. I am rambling. So we have the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. I am very excited to use this, and this is a really generous size for a like deluxe sample because cleansers you don't really need a lot of, and I am just dying to try it. I'm gonna dampen my face with a little Evian mist. Whew. If you guys voted, let me know like how it was in your area, if you did like by mail, what you did, because I went day of. I just decided to just go early, and it worked out really well. I think we were like the 6th and 7th people in line, something like that. We waited outside for 15 minutes, which it was chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but we were in and out in 15 minutes. Everything was good. This smells so good. So I'm just going to massage this in. This has got a little bit of like a granule in it you can feel, but it's very gentle feeling. It's not coarse or rough. Now, Deep Cleanse is supposed to be really good, I know, for more oilier skin, if you have combination skin, but I am for some reason breaking out right now more than normal, and I'm producing a little bit more oil than I normally would, so I feel like right now it's totally fine. So I think we're ready to rinse this off. I'll be right back. Alright, so even though that's meant for like oilier skin, I do not feel like it's harsh or stripping or drying or anything like that. My skin actually feels quite comfortable. It is like a little bit like squeaky clean, but not in a bad way. It just feels like my skin is thoroughly cleansed. So I'm pretty excited about using that cleanser some more. I'm always going to be happy to get some Tatcha. Just honestly, if I get Tatcha in my Ipsy, it's a good bag. So we have one more skincare product, like I said. So this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Very excited about this one, and full disclosure, I have used this before and I really like it. There's something special about this moisturizer because when I first put this on, I was like, oh, it's not really sinking in, but it's just got this beautiful texture. It glides on the surface for a while, and then within like 5 minutes, it feels like it sinks so deep into the skin. It just takes a minute, and it kind of caught me off guard the first time I used it because I was like, ooh, it's so like slippery, but it really sinks in beautifully. I like using this if I'm going to glide anything over my skin, like I have a Skin Ink Light, or if I'm going to use a gua sha or anything like that. It glides beautifully. It gives you a couple of minutes to be able to do your massage and all that without sinking right into the skin. And some moisturizers aren't the best for that. Like sometimes you need an oil, but this is a beautiful one. To me, when you first smell it, it smells like banana runts. You guys ever have runts? But then the scent really dissipates. You don't smell it on your skin. It's just when you first like take a whiff of it on your hands, but then it really is gone super fast. It's a lovely texture and I like Glow Recipe a lot. So very excited for my 2 skincare products, like great brands. I am really happy about these. Well, we do have 3 more items in our bag, but I'm gonna do makeup off camera because we're going to finish up together. So we're gonna do a little quick transformation. So let's see what I look like in 1 second. All right, so here we are with makeup on and I am loving everything so far. So hopefully we have a strong finish. So 3 products left in here and let's see what else we got. We got the Ico London Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. I've tried a mascara from them, but I don't believe I've tried this one in particular, but I do like their products. Oh, it's got a very interesting wand. It's like not an hourglass, but it's very big on the end and kind of swoops in kind of hourglass, but then the bottom part is much smaller. So that's an interesting wand. Ooh, that is a lot of mascara on there. For me, oh shoot. Luckily, I don't care about this table because I just got mascara all over it. It takes me a while to love a mascara. Like the first bit, I just have to know that like it's probably overcoated and I try to get some of it off, but it's also like very liquidy and I like them better usually once they get just a little bit drier. That's my preference. Oh, why is my nose got an itch right now? Okay, so let's try this guy on. And I didn't curl or anything, so this is just strictly this mascara and nothing else. Okay, I'm kind of shocked that I can't believe I took the time to tell you about how I like sort of like drier mascaras, and then I'm sitting here like enjoying the way that this is going a lot. It's not giving me a lot of volume or length yet, but like I said, I didn't curl my lashes or anything. I didn't do anything else to them and I've barely put any on, but I'm actually liking it. I like a wispier, like fanned out type of lash personally. Alright, so having not curled my lashes, I think they actually look really good. I have the worst lashes when it comes to holding a curl because my lashes just kind of droop like a weeping willow. It's just, they don't rise to the occasion, you know, but they actually look quite pretty. It transferred a little bit under my eye, but I'm gonna let that dry for a minute and then I'll get that off. It's no big deal. So that's how my lashes look. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I think if I curled my lashes, they would look even better, but definitely not a bad mascara. I'm actually kind of pleased with it. Let's move on. So we got 2 lip products. First is the Sugar Rush by Tarte Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. I think this might be a full size. This seems pretty big. This has got to be a full size product, so that's really cool to get that in here. And here is what it looks like. It looks super fun and it's like a grip on it. I think you could probably take that off. There you can see the color a little bit better, but that's really neat. Like I've never seen a gloss have a little finger grip, but let me know if you remember those like squishy pencil grips. I always needed one because I would like indent my pencil into my finger. I'd have like this big indentation there. So the finger grips really helped me out. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on first. Oh my God. What does this smell like? I'm trying to like cup the fragrance. This smells so good. I don't know how to describe it. Trust me to like love something that's geared toward like teenagers. That's totally me. Oh, I can almost figure out what it smells like. That bothers me so much when I know and I just can't quite get there. Oh my God. Okay. It kind of smells like, you know, fruit stripe gum. If you smelled a piece of it before you started chewing it and before it lost all flavor in like 10 seconds, that's kind of what it smells like. It smells so good. Okay, I'm sold. I got my Tatcha cleanser and I got my Tarte gloss. I'm good. We have another lip product, so I'm reluctantly going to take this off. My lips still feel amazing. It's very hydrating. I love this. Okay, so we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Moon Jelly. I think this is not gonna really go with this look, but it's fine. And it comes in a little box. These brands, Tarte, Tatcha, Glow Recipe, Ico, and Anastasia, like this is all really big names in this bag, or at least I would consider them. Okay, we got Moon Jelly Gloss. Yeah, this is definitely like conflicting with my eye look. It's fine. And this one's got like this little purple kind of iridescence to it, I guess I would say. These have like a cake batter-ish kind of scent to me. It smells good. It smells really good, just not quite as good as the other one. But that gives you the gist of the look all pulled together. I'm going to take the majority of that gloss off because I feel like it's distracting from my eye look. Let's go ahead and put some more of this back on. Alright, so that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag, and just to give a little recap, we got our cute little tricolor bag, the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, we got the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, we got our Ico Mascara, the Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Oil, and oh, I didn't tell you guys, this is in Fresh Pressed. That's the color, flavor, whatever. And then we got the Anastasia gloss in Moon Jelly. So once again, I feel like I got a great bag. I'm super happy with everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget, please, please, please leave me a big thumbs up and comment anything down below, what you got in your bag, what you think about my look, did you vote? Anything. It helps me tremendously. And also make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell rung and turned on to get my notifications. And that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys!